Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the please quit all Roblox and rerun this installer error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first solution that you can do is enabling user account control or the UAC. So, user account control or the AC serves as a security measure in Windows, so safeguarding against authorized or unauthorized alterations to your computer. So, disabling AC may lead to complications during Roblox installation process, and to activate UAC, navigate to your control panel and simply choose user accounts and access change user account control settings and adjust the slider to always notify, so this ensures that UAC remains enabled. So it will provide a smooth Roblox installation experience without any potential issues. And then next, what you can do is to close Roblox applications. So check the task manager on your Windows or activity monitor if you have the Mac OS to ensure there are no Roblox process running in the background. So once closed, just relaunch Roblox and you might not see the above error. And then lastly, what you can do is to run Roblox as administrator. So if the error persists, try running the installer as administrator. So for that, just right click onto the Roblox installer executable and select run as administrator. So this ensures that the installer has the necessary permissions to make changes to your system. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.